The Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act government has formulated this act in 1974 to be able to prevent pollution of water by industrial, agricultural and household wastewater that can contaminate our water sources. Wastewater with high levels of pollutants that enter waterlands, rivers, lakes, wells as well as the sea are serious health hazards. Controlling the point sources by monitoring levels of different pollutants is one way to prevent pollution by giving punishment to a polluter. However, it is also the responsibility of people in general to inform the relevant authority when they see a likely source of pollution. Industrials can also do several things to reduce water pollution, such as using biodegradable chemicals for household use, reducing use of pesticides in gardens and identifying polluting sources at workplaces and in industrial units where oil or other petroleum products and heavy metals are used. Excessive organic matter, sediments and infecting organisms from hospital waste can be pollute our water. Citizens need to develop a watchdog force to inform authorities to take appropriate actions against different types of water pollution. A polluter pay for his actions. However, preventing pollution is better than trying to cure the problem it has created or punishing offenders. The main objectives of Water Act are to provide for prevention, control and abatement of water pollution and the maintenance or restoration of the freshness of water. It is designed to assess pollution levels and punish polluters. The central government and state governments have set up pollution control boards that monitor water pollution. Functions of the pollution control boards. The government has given the necessary powers to the pollution control boards to deal with the problem of water pollution in the country. The government has also suggested penalties for violation of the provisions of the Act. Central and state water testing laboratories have been set up to enable the boards to assess the extent of water pollution, and standards have been laid down to establish guilt and default. Powers and functions of the central and state boards. Central board, it has the power to advise the central government on any matters concerning the prevention and control of water pollution. The board coordinates the activities of the state boards and also resolves disputes. The central board can provide technical assistance and guidelines to state boards to carry out investigations and research relating to water pollution and organizing training for people involved in the processes. The board organizes a comprehensive awareness program on water pollution through mass media and also publishes data regarding water pollution. The board lays down or modifies the rules in consultation with the state boards on standards of disposal of waste. The main functions of the central board is to promote the cleanliness of rivers, lakes, streams, and wells in the country. State boards, they have the power to advise the state government on any matter concerning water pollution. It plans a comprehensive program for the prevention of water pollution. It collects and disseminates information on water pollution and participates in research in collaboration with the central board in organizing training of people involved in the processes. The board inspects sewage or trade effluents, treatment plants, purification plants, and the systems of disposal, and also evolves economical and reliable methods of treatment of sewage and other effluents. It plans the utilization of sewage water for agriculture. It ensured that if effluents are to be discharged on land, the waste is diluted. The state board advises state governments with respect of location of industries. Laboratories have been established to enable the board to perform its functions. The state boards have the power to obtain information from officers empowered by it, who make surveys, keep records of flow, volumes, and other characteristics of the water. They are given the power to take samples of effluents and suggest the procedures to be followed in concern and connection with the samples. The concerned board analyst is expected to analyze the sample sent to him and submit a report of the result to the central board. The board is required to send a copy of the result to the respective industry. The board also has the power of inspecting any plant record, register, document, or any materials of and can conduct a search in any place in which there is reason to believe that an offense has been conducted under the Act. Penalties are charged for acts that have caused pollution. This includes failing to furnish information required by the board or failing to inform the occurrence of any accident or other unforeseen act. An individual or organization that fails to comply with the directions given in the subsections of the law can be conserved or punished with imprisonment for a term of 3 months or with fine of 10,000 or both, and in case failure continues, an additional fine of 5,000 every day. If a person who has already been convicted for any offense is found guilty of the same offense again, he or she, after the second and every subsequent conviction, would be punishable with imprisonment for a term not less than 2 years, but which may extend to 7 years with fine. What can individuals do to prevent water pollution? One, inform the Pollution Control Board of any offender who is polluting water and ensure that appropriate action is taken. One can also write to the press. Second, do not dump waste into a household or industrial drain which can directly enter any water body such as stream, river, pond, lake, or the sea. 3. Do not use toilets for flushing down waste items, as they do not disappear but reappear at other places and cause water pollution. 4. use compost instead of chemical fertilizers. In gardens, 5. Avoid use of pesticides at home like DDT, malathion, aldrin, and use alternative methods like paste of boric acid mixed with gram flour to kill cockroaches and other insects. Use dried neem leaves to help keep away insects. Thank you. Have a nice day.